On Etzel's got other firearms. I got two very special ones today. I got a Shield and Rossi, and I want to answer the question of, honestly, which one's better for a little carry, a wheel gun or a 9 in like compact form? Oh, finally, I fucking hit it. Wow. Not used to those sights. What do you like about it?
I don't fucking know. Well, shit, it feels good in your hand, you know.
Yeah.
And like, do that shit, and you barely pull it back. That bitch fires.
That does it? All right.
Yeah, you barely even pull it.